What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to send pictures on Gmail using your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Gmail application, and in order to send email, tap on that compose button, and there in the field 2 you are able to enter the email address whom you want to send this email to, and in order to attach picture to that email you need to tap on this paperclip icon and here select photos from your gallery or from your Google Drive. You can see photos, attachments and Drive right here, and you can scroll down like that and select photo. To select photo, just tap on it, and now that photo was successfully loaded and attached to that email. That's how it works. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments below that it's worked.